Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Rosewill RSV L4000. It's a 4U rack mount server case. Let's get started. So first impressions, the case is very big. It is extremely heavy. Here's a good look at the front side here, and on the back side, hey buddy, we have, let's see, looks like 2 fans here. Let's open her up. So now that we have our lid off, let's have a look and see what we have inside the case. Over here it looks like we have some drive bays. It looks like there's already 2 pre-installed. Then you have your standard complement of cables. Looks like we have 3 120mm fans here, support brackets, box of goodies, and it looks like they've already pre-installed some of the mounts for your motherboard. Next, we'll have a look in here. I guess what we have in here is a speaker for motherboard. Looks like additional brackets of some sort. Instruction manual. And before we wrap up, let's have a look at the front panel. It looks like we have room for additional expansion, and it looks like there are 2 fans for the drive bays, and there seems to also be some sort of foam in here, presumably that catches dust, and looks like that's about it.